Hi everyone, welcome to the Food Hunter Survival 101. I'm Abraham and will be the host for today and also the chef of the day. So I believe that during this coronavirus, COVID-19, all of you have been quarantined at home for not going out, and so do I. I do quarantine myself at home as well until the movement control order ends. And today I would like to share one of my cooking experience to all of you. That's why it's called Survivor 101. This program is specially designed for these beginners who are not well in cooking, and also maybe you stay alone at home and nothing to do, so you're welcome to watch this video. So today I'm going to prepare one of the easiest dish for all of you to try, which is the pancake. So pancake basically is very easy, and you have to prepare, of course, milk, anything, low fat milk, full cream milk, whatever is possible. A teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of this sugar, a bowl of flour, and also 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You need to have an egg as well to make the whole pancake done. First of all, you have to prepare your mixing bowl. Very importantly, it's a mixing bowl. We add a bowl of flour into the mixing bowl, as you can see over here. You add 2 tablespoons of oil, normally they use 1 tablespoon of sugar, but it's for tasting purpose, so I only use it for half a tablespoon. Baking powder is also one of the main ingredients for this to make it more fluffy. And also a pinch of salt, maybe half tablespoon will do, to mix into like a batter. So this is very easy, just one bowl. Just remember, milk and flour is 1 to 1, and also egg is 1. Just pour it together here into the bowl. You want to use a mixer or you want to use a fork, it's up to you. And then we just mix like that. So you mix it until gradually. And last but not least, an egg, which I have forgotten. So when you mix the egg into this thing, your pancake will definitely taste better and even smoother. So as you can see now, our batter is mixed into the bowl to form, so it's considered quite creamy. So we put it to medium heat, to medium low, and to heat up our pan, we put into low heat. We have more vegetable oil. Just put 1 full teaspoon. You can also substitute your vegetable oil with different types of ingredient. For example, you can put butter, unsalted butter or salted butter, and also you can use margarine. For me, I just use vegetable oil because this is a Survival 101, and it doesn't mean that your house got butter at this time, so you just use anything which is possible. Spoonful, we try 2 spoons. You can see now the whole thing is with bubble, so we just flip it over. Alright, now our pancake is done. It's ready to serve with a fork. As you can see here, this is the fluffy pancake. Everyone can make different type of pancakes. For here, you can see on your left is made by me, and on the right is made by my nephew. So no matter you are a beginner or you are an experienced, as you can see, there's a little puppy behind. He's shaking her tail, and she's preparing to serve the delicious pancake from here. And also I have to introduce you greenhouse honey cultivation. So we cultivate bee honeys for ourselves, our own family. And as you can see, this is a pure honey. This is the honey that we are going to serve our fluffy pancake. Look at that honey. Oh, delicious. Look at this. Wow, yum, 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 yum. Look at the freshly harvested honey being poured onto the pancake into shiny glaze. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends.